Parts and tools. Remove two bolts under rear of seat. Remove two bolts under middle of seat. Loosen bolt under front of seat, turn seat to side. Front light, cut 3 cable ties along top tube. Unwind cable tidy. Feed front light cable through forks. Install front light with bolt. Feed front light cable into controller box. Connect carefully, lining up the arrows on both cables. Test front light with bike power button. Replace cable tidy and adjust if needed. Fit 3 new cable ties. Rear light, install with bolt and feed cable into control box. Connect carefully, lining up the arrows on both cables. Return seat position. Test rear light with bike power button or brake lever. Replace and tighten bolts under seat. Check all seat bolts are tight.